What's going on, family? So I'm in Eudora right now. This is the Mason Cemetery because my family is Masons. I want to show you my people. It starts off here. It's just my great-great-grandmother right here. 1887 to 1970. Great-grandfather right here. They was Masons. It's my uncle. My uncle had it. A lot of kids at the back of it. Everybody went in and got him a nice one. And it's all his kids. Then over here, it's my grandmother, my great-grandmother. History. So this is the sister and brother Mason Cemetery. The other cemetery is on the other side. Did you say the other one's on the other side? The cemetery? Yeah, the other cemetery. Yeah, they on the highway. And this was just for the brothers and sisters on this side right here, right? Yeah. So we're in Eudora, Arkansas. History.